Today we will do pumping out bilges, cargo holds of cargo holds during loaded passage on bulk carrier. Now, in bulk carriers, you have the cargo holds, and in the aft part you have the bilge, and then you have suction pipe. Now, when cargo is loaded and you pump out the water inside the bilge, it doesn't have an air pipe, so that is a problem. So you might get a vacuum here. For example, if you have any tank, let's say a ballast tank, it will always have one air pipe, so that when water is pumped out, the outside atmospheric pressure acting outside and acting inside is the same. But if you don't have this air pipe, so as you pump out, the inside becomes partial vacuum, so this pressure becomes less, let's say 0.1 kg, and atmospheric pressure is 1 kg. So you might get structural damage in the tank because this atmospheric pressure will give this bulkhead inside. So you might have a structural damage. Now here is the same problem in loaded passage. There is no air pipe. So as you pump out the water from here, you might get some structural damage. So what is recommended is you have a sounding pipe here. So what is recommended is when the place where the sounding pipe enters the bilge, you can make a small hole here. And when you are pumping out the water, you can keep the sounding cap open. So when you pump out, this air from the atmosphere will go inside and equalize the pressure. Inside pressure and outside pressure will be the same. So let's do one more topic about local mean time and ship's mean time and ship's time. Now local mean time depends on your longitude. As your longitude changes, your local mean time keeps changing. And what is ship's mean time? It is exactly the same as local mean time. So they are different names for the same thing. So LMT is always equal to SMT, and it depends on your longitude. And what is ship's time? Ship's time is the time you keep on ships, which is shown in your ship's clock. So that is different from SMT. They are not the same thing.